Yo, what is going on, guys? You're probably wondering who the hell is this masked weirdo. Don't panic, I'm not going to rob you or anything of the sort. I am here to show you guys how to get free dice in Monopoly Go. This method is super easy, it takes a few minutes, and you can get pretty much unlimited free dice rolls in Monopoly Go. I'm almost suffocating, and unless you want to see me die live on camera, I'm going to be removing my mask, going over to my desk and running through these steps. So make sure you pay attention, follow the tutorial, and of course hit that like button if you got your free dice rolls. So let's get into it. This method will get you 999,999, so pretty much a million of both. And it takes under 5 minutes. So I've decided, hey, why don't I make this tutorial and show you guys how you can go ahead and get your free resources for Monopoly Go and save a ton of money. So step one, guys, you need to grab your mobile device and open up the internet. I'm using an iPhone XR because I can't afford a new iPhone, and I'm using Safari browser. When you go to the internet, you need to go to this website, www.giftcardhero.net. Alternatively, you can go to Google and just type in here, Gift Card Hero, and it should be at the top. So click that page. Let me just close this other one. And we need to look for the Monopoly Go page, guys. There's a ton of stuff on here, but we need to look for Monopoly Go. So press menu, and in here, I'm just going to type Monopoly. Here we go, Monopoly Go, free dice rolls and cash. Tap this page to open it up. There's a big friendly face there, so you know you're on the Monopoly page. And here we go, so you can see exclusive 999 free dice rolls and cash for Monopoly Go. And we just need to tap this green button that says free rolls and cash. Pretty self-explanatory, I think. And you get to this page here. So you need to enter in your user ID. If you don't know where your user ID is, guys, go to your Monopoly Go app, press the profile page, and it should be right at the bottom. It's numbers, so I'm just going to punch in mine because I remembered it, and then I'm going to connect. So you can see it's connecting to the server, and it sort of verifies your user ID. And now you need to select which device. So I'm on iPhone, so it's an iOS device. And now we press this free Monopoly Go rolls and cash button. Does some complicated stuff, such as connecting to the server and then some sort of encryption thing. I don't really understand what it's doing, but all I know, it does give you the resources. So you can see we need to basically, before our systems provide you free Monopoly Go rolls and cash, you will need to pass this verification. This is to confirm you are not a bot. So people actually create bots to take all of these rolls and cash, so this is a way to protect them. We just need to verify, so let's tap this button. So we need to basically just complete this quick verification, and this confirms you're not a robot. So we need to complete 2 of the free tasks below, and you can see that I've got a list of tasks. I just need to choose any 2 of them and complete them. So you can see, for example, this is a survey. I just need to register and choose your boxes and start the free trial. So let's click on that and do what it said. So basically just answer the questions and choose whatever. Okay, so I need to just input my email and what have you. So I'll pause the camera and I'll do 2 of these guys. So this is Amazon Prime trial. So let me just do these guys and I'll return once I've finished both of them. Guys, so I just finished 2 of those. I completed them fully. Now you have to make sure you fully complete them, because if you try and skip this step, it won't work. You need to make sure you fully complete 2. If you do 2 and it still hasn't worked for whatever reason, you may have done something wrong, or there may be some sort of bug, so just complete a 3rd. However, it usually works after 2. So now once you've done that, you simply tap the tab button wherever that is on your device and go back to this page, you know, the one with the sort of verify page, and here we go. you can see you have successfully completed 2 free tasks and completed the verification step. Please allow 10 to 15 minutes for the free dice and cash to be added to your Monopoly Go user ID. Thank you for using Gift Card Hero and be sure to share with friends. So basically guys, that is it. Verification complete. I just need to wait 10 to 15 minutes and then make sure you have the app opened up in 10 to 15 minutes and you'll see your rolls and cash get added to your account. Like I say, it's pretty simple. The whole process takes 5 minutes to pass the verification and then just 10 to 15 minutes for it to be actually added to your account. And it's super safe. It's no hack or no glitch. It's pretty easy to do. I think we can all agree that was pretty painless and it's well worth it considering how many dice rolls and cash you're going to be getting. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go to giftcardhero.net, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. I'm always willing to help you out. Let me just get a thumbnail. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.